Not sure which roller skates are best for you? In this video, we'll show you the top 5 best roller skates available on Amazon. We carefully selected these skates based on style, comfort, durability, and performance. Perfect for both beginners and experienced skaters. Whether you want indoor fun or outdoor smooth riding, this list will help you choose the right pair. Watch till the end to find your perfect roller skates. Item number 5. The Moxi Beach Bunny roller skates are built for style, comfort, and performance. Made with durable, animal-friendly vinyl and a strong aluminum plate, they provide excellent support for beginners and experienced skaters. The high-top padded boot with Deluxe lining ensures all-day comfort and secure ankle support. Featuring 58mm 78A outdoor wheels and ABEC 5 bearings, these skates deliver a smooth, stable, and cushioned ride on different surfaces. The lace-up closure allows a precise and adjustable fit for better control during skating. With its colorful design and premium build quality, this skate perfectly combines fashion and function for outdoor skating fun and confidence. Item number 4. The PAPAISON roller skates are designed with a classic retro double-row style, offering better stability and control than inline skates. Made with 2-layer microfiber leather, they are soft, breathable, and durable, ensuring long-lasting comfort without pressure or discomfort. The high-top design provides strong ankle support, while the lace-up system allows a secure and adjustable fit. Built with a strong aluminum base plate, these skates deliver smooth turning, stability, and reliable control for both indoor and outdoor use. With 58mm polyurethane wheels, they offer a quiet and stable ride. Perfect for beginners, kids, and adults. These skates also make an ideal stylish gift for skating lovers. Item number 3. The Candi GRL Carlin Quad Freestyle Artistic Roller Skates are designed for style, comfort, and high performance. Built with a premium suede boot and soft padded lining, they provide excellent comfort and strong ankle support for beginners and intermediate skaters. The high-quality aluminum chassis with PU cushions ensures smooth control and precise turning. Equipped with 65mm chemistry glide wheels and Bevo Silver 5 chrome bearings, these skates deliver speed, stability, and great grip for both indoor and outdoor skating. The lace-up closure offers a secure and adjustable fit, making it perfect for long skating sessions. Stylish, durable, and performance-driven, these skates are ideal for artistic and freestyle skating lovers. Item number 2. The Moxi Rainbow Rider roller skates are built for durability, comfort, and style. Made with scratch-resistant vinyl and a strong die-cast aluminum plate, they provide excellent support and long-lasting performance. The padded high-top boot with a curved collar ensures superior ankle comfort, making them perfect for long skating sessions. Equipped with 58mm outdoor wheels and ABEC 5 bearings, these skates deliver a smooth and stable ride both indoors and outdoors. The lace-up closure offers a secure and adjustable fit, while the vibrant rainbow design adds a stylish and trendy look. With safety-focused construction and reliable braking control, these skates are ideal for beginners and casual skaters. Item number 1. The Chicago Skates Classic Quad Roller Skates are designed for durability, comfort, and top performance for both women and men. Featuring a high-top boot with strong ankle support, they provide stability and confidence for beginners and casual skaters. The lace-up system with eyelets and speed hooks ensures a secure and adjustable fit. Built with a sturdy aluminum base plate and double adjustable trucks, these skates offer smooth control and easy turning. The 60mm polyurethane wheels and semi-precision bearings deliver a stable, smooth ride for both indoor and outdoor skating. Perfect as a starter skate, they combine classic style, strong build quality, and reliable performance for everyday skating fun. Which of these roller skates is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us.